Enti ene ko ayeswa ye onyum na otie no wan ko Facebook a won dia se de bi ma che
Bejo so ya.
ye ne abere so okrodom
Bibia fine.
Yala to say you any better than the fine biasa because and they also more central region although they've come out to the press release say tebidity no bank kakra and then kakra we want proper. It's important.
Yes,
it's important because they came to tell us say tebidity nenye enti yes o mekatre but the here say the kind the here say it has to come back to where it was
and even much more better.
One them say that water prince you no ahono no ye pese e hu sensuo nate say president wo so no yansoma no obi kakape bi anka no
onye obi akra na koso ne dai
obi ansoma no
Onua ni
one them say obi moneti ko wampa na ni so Onua
ni pim
and they say ye boka say in fact January 2017 right and we be catch say or he said the nsuo no na ye fuo ene ye forest no said dia amanfo dimu dikadika na ade a na ni abere so obekọ sa akon wo ko ne den dey duru baabi wodna no betu mu kura se wodna konwa beto se no nti Ghana fo be yo madwe so omonto aba mana so be it and it was a good fight or
yes.
It was a good call.
Yes, sure.
Central phone nyina mpanyfo nyina ta eche be we ntena se man ne Galamsey sikapenti en Ghana nyese Colombia anase ebe Mexico ye de no example but we don't want us or our situation to get to that level.
No, but
ye beka so any open Galamsey be ye tu Ghana pa Bragana no example for me
dwen ho amentiase o adentina ye wo nsuo nyame abosu edi amaye na because of yesika painting yes ye kokra nsuo mfraba no ne mra ne ye mra
ya sabelo adentina ye betena na ye bedru san level no a ye kokra nsuo and as we speak ohwe nkrofo pipe bi no mo etete bembe miamia wo a ye to go no e wo nsuo no mu a Ghana water for nsuo e ba free pipe ado no ohwe nsuo a e pie free pipe no anya nsuo papa nya nika
ye enra me
kujo nsuo a wo di dware anya ye wonum anya ye wo di ye aduane anya ye na awra ho sem ne se na ye nya dane Ghana water for e na ye to alom na ye de so ni nsuo so but you see the danger in that is that Ghana water has the professionalism.
Yes.
So best one is so into the amount of and quantity of whatever they use in purifying water.
Exactly.
It is tested.
Exactly.
And it, yes, but say net me ni ya na dwene so no continue so
na ya. Say on market. Just ba ko to bi dia. No de anu aduane, no de abra bi edi. Ye di wi abehun say dey starting nya kidney failure. So
let me tell you. And then kidney failure na ba o.
Oh, onam kakra no akoma ebo. Akoma ebo sa.
Ya num suo pa.
Ya enra me
and even if you decide not to drink the water, you will use the water to bath.
Oh, to me fancy ufu and fast to do water.
What the bedjare na your body no so skin no and tokro wom.
Of course.
And somewhere somehow it can have an impact on you. Well, them say. And what the seminar crowd to support so bra salada.
Oh, na day.
Wo bra salada na there. Wo the adwane tia boka.
Enra for me ko dwum. Me ko bisa carrot bo. Yes, carrot be baako 6 cedis. Na bisa say carrot if you see we Togo. We free friends or say baako to free Burkina. Na bisa say Ghana dey ni ho, say Ghana dey na ya na emremre because chemical no mo dey ye anu ode.
Sorry me tell.
Na say hey, carrot so. Ye crack.
Buy obio. Na say Ghana dey to pick crack.
Ye crack ko so sa.
Ye kan ye ma ye crack okrom ade na eja nka kra.
No so near was anema we na bi.
Ye dey yesim kra ye crack.
Enne ya say ye sas no. E da say ye crafia ma no ne ye dey aba ya
sa ba. Ye dua bi wa ha de be na ye ntosuo.
Those times.
O fa Burkina ntos na fa Ghana ntosu anu kra ba akopɛ ye de nsuo nko.
Na adentina na nke say
ye ya na set ye ni na men.
Kane no ye tomatoes ene ye atosode no. China fo befa na mo akwakoto. Omo de akobo ho no akokodi. Ene omo emom ne dua bi na ye akwakoto de from ho no mo aba. How?
Editing. And this is a fight that we are not relenting. We need to come together as a country. Come together is the word I use. Come together. So we are suffer. We are lawyer ni. We are politician. It doesn't matter where you belong. So we are cheddar. So we are NDC. So we are MPP. So we are CPP. So we are Ekwadonko. So we are Centroni. The number of Central for two Galano. You have no idea. I'm telling you. The Central for two Gala Ukromano. wuni who idea. Asofo to galano, you have no ahemfu ejire mu bie. Look, this fight is not a small fight. Inti ye no NDC MPP a ye nsabebu ye ntumi nsom. Si ye dane no NDC MPP a this fight ye nsabedire ye ntumi nya ho adwuma. Enti ye nyina nkambom collaborative effort as a country to fight against this menace. Say be ya menu mienu. Ye daate ne ye madaate. Ye daate o ene ye madaate nti. Go ye den ya ukrom ne Ghana. Wukwa ba sai na so ti abrochire he. Ukrom aduane. Nya de obi de be ya odase ukrom de. Enti na mufia ma no ne ba mo pe fufu ase twa ba ase akwa akodi fufu do. Mo pe abunabunu. Munya bi WOHO so mo de ente say ye te ya ye di abunabunu fresh. Enti say tie bia no de mu ye po ba bia wa. Ukrom ane Ghana enti is a fight that all of us must come together no matter the time, no matter the period and where it's done and the cost it will have on you as a politician. Let's come together and fight.
Yeah, quick one. Baby to say Bosome Freho, for instance. Omo kransu e de free Kumasi. Na efri Kumasi akọ Bosome Freho ansa na omo nyensu ato bia anom. Meanwhile, this is a community na kansu enye na wo ho no mo. Omo akasa musu enye na wo ho no mo ananka ometumi asa bia no. But then na omo ankasa suba boninti.
Nyame ache japade bebre.
Obusu ba boninti o.
Menim se nyame no kra to be obi beka se nyame kra se we bias. Wanyakopon aye bias ama bibini pa niam nyame de ache ye bibifo.
Enya asem ketwa o.
Sebi ye chimi enti. Sebi. Yes say no. Eni ye ni.
Yes say na say yes say.
Ni. Se ni pada se eni mu ma. Eni menko pese me menko minya. Eni wo me ka kronfo aso asa so de mu ma sofo ntumi ka. Sofo nim se nipa wa bo na edai adwaman a edokoro no ne de koro no eso sofo abo na eda what the front seat because what diska what yasika enti sofo ntumi nka and then preaching kura dodo na wa so dem ada ni sikasem ye nka nyame asem ye the bible na to nchen e bi ye politics na bi ada ni nyamesem Ghana mu ache say tu ade ye bre. Now me sometimes you feel is bias. Wama gold, timber, cocoa, wama bauxite. Now say yes, you nearly to me. Now me cry me I don't know where more. Just said you are my cry you so. No ya one was such a baby before from what trade before for us. Ye crass our monkofa. Kakrana ye nya no de my no cry. Ye nya home for swap. Oko wasn't important baby too good. Whether it was a big mining company or a small mining company, you don't see the effect in even infrastructure in where these mining activities go on. The obe wani kasa kasiye asa infrastructure papa bie ni ho ayasa bia papa bie ni ho ukọ aboase a obi yale die mu ode ate so om de ne makumase entie fa so be pani ye tu go du ko ba yeda timma bauxite and the real ye de asai ye de papa ye ntumi fa real anya hwe timma ya ye tu minim de ye twitwa ye de ye obi hunu
me ye mu ananka dakro me sre ye pay for mu fan kwa dwundwin mu
so unfortunately
nanka media general yesu yenko strike on this Galamsey just for a day. Who impact a big create to Ghana. It is becoming more disturbing.
Yeah, first year the fan craft and the statecraft. Me defi. Makasa me manon am de kaso nanti o monte suminya. No, yeah, cost strike. I mean, yeah, demonstration. Demonstration one day, just one day demonstration. Yeah, two stations.
Yeah, two stations.
And me defi. The problem.
Oh, if other media houses will join, fine.
It would help. It's not just, you see.
Because Friday, just coming Friday.
Sometimes it's not just the strike or demonstration.
Catholic bishops also, Catholics for. Yes, they are also going on a demonstration, not because of anything, but because of our water bodies and our lands.
Some of the people behind these things to see you're checking you.
Yeah, remember
so
whichever way,
and if it's true, we are if it no correct, say you're politicizing it. Yeah, it's a shame. Said no crabby woman say, yeah, politicizing it for our own political gain. It's a shame. Because you can't use my life for politics. This is about life, oh. It is about life and death. It is where we've gotten to, and it's been, Galamsey has been a menace for a while. But nobody should use my life for politics. I will not condone to that, and I won't accept that. If there's any genuine But the only thing that I feel so police is barricade no mo to barricade. Sabe me de no. Me for entina me se me nya ho nkɔ. What I say me for aso nti me nya ho. Ko to na bia demonstration mabunu no so bi ne ban bi o mo da na di no. Wo ye panyina na sabe wo ya yetintinto. Nti me nya ho. But the facts are fact. If it's wrong, it's wrong, and we must work and fight against it. The
Onua 95.1 FM. Yeah,